Hey there, dog lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special treat for you. A brand new series called German Shepherds on Patrol. Featuring two adorable German Shepherds named RNL. But they are not just dogs, they are security experts. That's right, they're going to be assessing each park's safety, cleanliness, amenities, and overall suitability for dogs of all sizes. So, let's dive right in. In this first episode, our NL will be reviewing a park called CookiesPark4Dogs. Link in the description below. They're going to check for a sizable field, plenty of agility equipment, and water stations. They'll also be checking out the waste disposal area, poo bags, and clean towels for you and your furry friend. But that's not all. These two pups will also be evaluating the park's security, including the fencing and secure car park. And if that's not enough, they'll even take a dip in the swimming pool. We're so excited to share this new series with you. And we hope you enjoy watching our NLS adventures as much as we did. Remember, if you have any suggestions for parks to review, or if you have any questions about dog care, feel free to leave a comment below. Our NL will be reviewing the park by giving marks from 1 to 4 paws. 1 each size of field, 4 paws. 2 agility equipment, lots of toys, 4 paws. 3 water drinking station, 2 paws. 4 waste disposal area and poo bags provided, 4 paws. 5 clean towels for you and Hoomans, 4 paws. 6 park security, fencing and secure car park, 4 paws. 7 swimming pool, 4 paws. 8 cleanliness, 4 paws. 9 price 50 min 11 pounds, 2 paws. 10 easy to find, but a long drive from the nearest town, 2 paws. Overall rating, paws up, 4 paws. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more dog-tastic content. Until next time.